Yo guys, it's Manamdo the Goat. I'm back again on the YouTube channel. So guys, I didn't even have to introduce myself because you guys already know who I am. So okay guys, now we're looking at the pair that's called DXY. So today let's take things to the next level. So on DXY guys, we could see those DXY. So we're gonna come and get our lowest low of the structure. This is the lowest low of DXY. This is the lowest low of DXY, and then we're gonna have the highest height of DXY. So after the highest height and the lowest low, guys, we can focus on the current market, on what price is giving us. So when I say current market, we're just gonna zoom in and check what price was doing. So I'll give you a scenario here, guys. Price almost gave you a double bottom, and price here almost gave you a double top. So your double top and your double bottom failed. So now we're gonna start coming up with the structure. If you were to put this trend line like this, man, so now you could see that in price you are having a possible what do you call, you're having a possible 1, 2, 3. Because here on these levels here that I'm about to highlight, it was supposed to be a certain thing. Guys, it was supposed to be a certain thing. It was supposed to be a certain thing, which is yeah. 1, 2, 3. I want to get that thing to highlight. So guys, after the weekly, we have to jump to what? We have to jump to the daily time frame. So guys, there's nothing special about how we trading. This is just a top-down analysis. So on the daily, guys, on the daily, we're just gonna fix this trend to that level. Remember, guys, for your analysis to be correct, you need 2 to 3 touches. That's the motto. 2 to 3 touches. 1, 2, 3. That's the third touch. And then we come to the low, same thing. 1, 2, and then on the low, we're expecting a third touch. So when we're expecting a third touch, we need to have a what? 90% of that structure. I hope everything is okay so far, guys. And then, guys, if you could see, I'd like to zoom our price. Our price had a what? It had this height inside of the daily time frame, and it created another low inside. So from the daily, we're heading to the 4 hour. So when we get to the 4 hour, guys, you could see that price came down with an impulse. So this was just the what? This was just a correction. So what type of a correction is it? It's a bearish correction. So me having a structure like this, I'm looking at the possibilities of this price going high, but then the possibilities of this price going high, they're very low, guys, they're very low. Reason being, price came with an impulse, it came with a good momentum. So we're gonna see everything as we're going deep. Now we're gonna low, man. Now we're gonna go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we should see price dropping, as I stated. And remember, guys, as you move with the time frame, you have to fix your what? You have to fix your trends or whatever you trade. You can't be trading with some boring stuff, boring trend lines that are not well. So okay, you fix your trend lines, and then we come here, we fix the trend line. So if you could see, guys, truly speaking, everything makes sense here. Everything makes sense. So you have your 1, 2, now you're on your third touch. And then on the low, there are enough touches. Won't even count them, won't even finish them. So from the 1 hour, guys, I'll be moving to the what? To the 30 minutes. Even on the 30 minutes, now we can reduce the what? We can reduce the trend, guys. Your work has to be neat. Your work has to show that you're Manamdo the GOAT's follower. So okay, now we're having these. So when we're having these, guys, if you can like really see inside, you could see that inside this thing, we do have something like a pattern there. What type of a pattern it is? It is a bearish pattern. Why am I saying it's a bearish pattern? What formed here, guys? What happened here? That's the same thing that can happen here. So what did we do there? We had this thing. We had 1, 2 as a pattern. So this one, guys, it's a what? It's a bearish candle, a bearish structure. Just like here, we did have the what? The bearish structure, but the other one is flat. The other one is like steep. So with us knowing price, right, guys, we know what to do. So now I'll take the bar pattern from the highest height to the lowest low. So that's how we're gonna get the direction. So we always have to go to the past. You see, we come here, we go down. So from there, when we connect this thing, it makes more sense. And then that's when we can do what? That's when we can like expand the trend line on the low. This is how you can expand the trend line on the low. So this has to be just your target. Nothing serious, nothing major. This is going to be your target. So there are two types of traders, guys, you know. There are traders who enter around these zones. If you enter around these levels, we call you a risk entry trader. You understand? We call you a risk entry trader. But then if you place your positions around this level, okay, if you place your position around this level, you're called a what? A reduced risk entry, you know. So I'll wanna show you, right? I wanna show you something. Okay, I'll clean something and like put the market aside, you know. So I just wanna educate you with some powerful stuff, guys, on a blank stuff. So okay, here's a scenario, right, guys? I'm gonna give you a scenario. This is a scenario and a scenario. I wanna show you why I don't use support and resistance most of the time. So we have a structure like that. It's fine. So basically, it's believed that price can like move, and then move. When price breaks here, that's a retest and goes up. No, it's not like that, guys. Sometimes we move like this, and then we break. We confuse the seller, the buyers. We get you a correction, then we're done. So guys, this one it was me, your boy Manamdo the Goat, guys. I'm signing out, you know, signing out on this one. So now guys, let's go to another one. After DXY, we can go to Euro USD. Euro USD. Oh, when I'm see. So this is my Euro USD, guys. As you could see, no cap, no key. You could see, guys, I'm holding it. This is what was happening. Inside, Pagati inside, you see. So, but then I'll break it down for you guys. I'll break it down for you guys on how I caught it. Even though it was triggering my stop losses, man, it was just a challenge. You know, so on Euro USD, guys, let's start. I don't know if we should start on the weekly so you guys can understand or what. But even the weekly is fine. So I'm on the weekly time frame, guys. I'm on the weekly time frame. So when we're in the weekly time frame, we have to highlight the highest height. Now our focus has to be on the structure. And then we highlight the lower low. We highlight the lower low. After higher height, lower low, guys, I can just highlight that important level that I said I have. So from there, we're gonna go to the daily. So as we are moving on the daily, price starts showing off things. So remember, guys, I'm that person who only needs 3 touches. Understand? Only 3 touches. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 of my best touches there. Again, from the top, we have 1, 2, 3. So, and again, guys, we're gonna have a what? We're gonna have the 90% rule. You get me? So from there, guys, we're gonna switch from the daily time frame to the what? To the 4 hour. As we are switching to the 4 hour, guys, I wanna show how price has been moving and you couldn't notice, because you guys are always out there. Price has been repeating the same pattern. It gave you an impulse, then it gave you a correction. What's a correction? Correction is when price is moving sideways. Easy to analyze the past. Very, very easy. Again, guys, price has been repeating the same thing. Impulse, correction. Here's a correction. I can spend the whole day pointing what price did. But the biggest problem is when you're alone in your room and you have to trade. So again, we had this pattern, guys. We had as I said here, right? I remember, I don't know who I was telling. I was like, here we have this structure. Guys, patterns are the way of being consistent in this game. I believe in patterns. That's fine. So I have that. So me having that structure, everything I could just call it a structure, even if it's a pattern, guys. Again, we had these. And then I had these. So there was a breakout there. So if there was a breakout, we need to know where we're gonna expect our TP. This is the 90% rule. So you see, guys, on my chart, it's just pattern over pattern. Let's say if you guys were to have that previous one, which is gonna act as a short, imagine you could have capitalized from that move with a last stop loss. And I say last stop loss, I mean good stop loss with a last stop loss. And then imagine you capitalize till that level. And then such opportunity again, it comes in. So we're gonna go to the 1 hour to really, really, really find out. Yeah, so when we get to the 1 hour, the 1 hour doesn't have much to say, but just to confirm with whatever we are doing, because we know our story. So when we get to the 1 hour, we don't negotiate like that. So with the 1 hour, fix the trend, you could see a clear a clear breakout. So seeing this clear breakout now, guys, there's even a what? There's even a pattern inside a what? Inside a pattern. So if there's a pattern inside a pattern, guys, you can come, put your 90% rule again, and then you come organize your trend, put it in a way. So when you put it in a way, then we're gonna go to the M15, which is our entry type. So here, guys, I'm also expecting a little bit of correction, which we're gonna see nicely on the M15. So with these little correction, this is going to be my entry type. So these being my entry type, I just have to go short, take it from there, and then push it to the side, pull down with the stop loss, and then the take profit target has to be here. So guys, you need to wait for a structure always. You need to give you need to like push. Okay, guys, give me a minute on a drink. Okay, so as we go into the 15 minutes, no? 15 minutes is what? M15 is the time frame which will show you. So you see on the M15, guys, the pattern it starts to show itself. It shows. So if we break that level, we are coming to this level. So I've done 2 pairs now, guys. I think I'll do the last. Okay, I'll do GBPJPY as someone requested, GBPJPY. So after those ones, guys, I think I'll be resting not so long. I'll be resting. I'll be resting. I'll be resting. Okay, so this is GBPJPY. Those who know it, they call it GJ. So with GJ, we have what we call higher height. We have lower low. We have important level, and then we have another important level. So with those important levels, guys, using trend, you can see the vision on the bigger scale. You understand? You can see the vision. Okay, so from the weekly we go to the daily. So on the daily we have moved with our trends. You see, still makes sense. Still makes proper sense. Okay, and then we're gonna be doing it like this. As long as the trend lines are making sense, that's the only thing that's necessary. Only if it makes sense, you know. So again, guys, we're gonna be having. You can see, we guys, we have a triple top. We have a what? Triple top. 1, 2, 3. Triple top. So from the daily, we head into the 4-hour. When we get to the 4-hour, Kunzi Mukubi Rockstar. This is the 4-hour, guys. There isn't much to be done. Then let's go to the 1-hour. On the 1-hour, you could see that there's a what? There's a trend, and then we have a supported height. So guys, GBPJPY, according to the way I say it, I think it's about to drop. You know, I need to give you a drop, because you could see here it has already formed patterns, and there's a break of those patterns. So without fear or favor, guys, I could say let's sell GBP JPY. Tight stop loss has to be on that line there, and then target profit, it has to be here. So with this one, guys, it was as easy as ABC. You get what I'm saying? It was easy as AB or ABC. So guys, I don't know. What more do you want me to do? Check GBP. I did check GBPJPY. What's more to be done? 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 Yo, guys, guys, imagine you good with the charts. Imagine all of my got the chart, teacher. Okay, I'm just gonna do. Let's see. Okay. There's a pair. Ends at the KPI. Okay. Guys, let's do the DGPY. Here I'm starting on the daily. Yeah. So on the daily time frame, guys, structure that we focus on is the current structure. One mention, higher height, and then pattern 1, 2, 3 pattern, the real pattern where price went down. Okay, and then from the daily 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, right? Price came. We could see we have to respect price. You know? We have to respect price. Okay. Okay. I know. Okay. I'm not surprised where this buy comes from. But there isn't much of a move, guys. Price just move to the upside, But I was expecting more of price to come down. Oh, the structure makes sense when you look at like this. So okay, guys. This one is just for the patient one. So here won't give any direction. Let's just wait and see. If there's a break, there might be a continuation, then it go to that side. Because I think I did the market breakdown for you guys. To those who have a question, you can ask the question that you have. Okay.